So this morning, for the next 45 minutes, we're going to unpack some secrets that are fundamental to success in business. Ensure that your employees work well together. How can they work well together? Well, you have to take them through training. They should be trained regularly on how to work well together, how to better do their jobs, how to even grow into other positions. Some of my favorite times at Oracle, where I worked for 10 years, were the times that I was paid to go to a conference. I was receiving my paycheck while I was learning something new. That felt great to me. Well, it feels great to your employees that have the growth mindset, that want to grow and become bigger, that want to be challenged and do more things. Many companies make the mistake of thinking, I'll do that when my company gets bigger. I've also heard some people say, well, what if I put all this money into my employees and make them better and then they leave? Now we've invested into an employee that someone else gets the benefit of. But what's the opposite of that? What if you don't and they stay? Yeah. Because that often happens. They're not better. And now they're your not better employee who's staying stagnant and the same. Invest in your employees. Train them regularly. And coach them. Coach them to be their best. And this is not a public service announcement. I'm telling you that millennials right now, what they want more than a manager who's constantly on them, asking them if they got done what they're supposed to do, they'd rather have a coach and a mentor. That's what they say in surveys. I teach a class at Skyline College. I have for a few years now, and so I'm in touch with millennials. And sure enough, that's what they say. I don't want micromanagement. I want coaching and mentoring. I want training to be my best. I want to grow. I want to go ahead faster than the generation before me did. I want to do big things.